Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify BigQuery dataset permissions with IAM roles step by step clearly. Open your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the BigQuery section. Select the project containing the dataset you want to verify. Locate the dataset in the left-hand panel. Click on the dataset name to open its details. In the Dataset Details page, look for the Permissions tab. Click on the Permissions tab to view the current IAM roles. Review the list of users and their assigned roles. To check specific permissions, click on a user's email. A Details pane will appear showing all permissions associated with their role. If you need to add a new user, click on the Add Principal button. Enter the email address of the new user. Select the appropriate IAM role from the drop-down menu. Click Save to apply the new permissions. To remove a user's access, find their entry in the permissions list. Click the trash icon next to their email. Confirm the removal of their permissions. Double-check the updated roles and permissions to ensure accuracy. For additional verification, you can use the Google Cloud CLI. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the command BQ show format equals prettygen, your _dataset, to view dataset details. Check the access field for a detailed list of permissions. This will provide an overview of all roles assigned to users. You have now successfully verified BigQuery dataset permissions using IAM roles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.